All right, so check it out, guys. I want to show you guys some initial setup stuff you need to do whenever you get your Flex Zs. So you got the manual here, okay? Open this up, page 23, they give you a bunch of reference values. These reference values will correlate with the design of the damper you have. So you'll see, you just match up what you got with this design, and you'll figure out where these reference values go. So the first thing you're going to really want to do, aside from looking at this, is just make sure that the preload is set symmetrically between the left and the right shocks. So I go in here, I'll just check this preload to here. This one's around 250 to the bottom of this collar. But then this one, it's close, maybe within a millimeter or two. So once we do that, I'll also check the rear shocks, do the same thing. Pick the same reference point. You know, it's about 221 mils. Check over here, 221. Good job, Tein. So then for ride height, what you'll want to do, or at least what we do, is we will get a caliper and we'll make sure wherever you set it that we've got the same values on both sides, okay? And then you can adjust this accordingly, but we use a caliper. Then again, for the rear height adjuster, for the spring, you can literally take this and adjust this as well. So remove the tape, like so. And then you can also use your caliper in this space here to set your height up. Don't forget to lock all your collars, okay? So you can go in here and just make sure you set your lefts and your rights. We can measure from here, all right? The other thing you want to keep a note of that Tein does tell you is do not go past 16 clicks. You may have more than 16 clicks on this adjuster, but anything past 16 they say is not good and you may void your warranty. So you count full clockwise, full stiff, count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you stop. That's it, guys. That's your basic setup, things you should always do out of the box. Don't forget to check and torque all of these nuts on the top inside of here, on your top mounts, your top hats. Over here as well, these are 17 mils on the Flex Zs. So we make sure that these are torqued before we install them. Thanks for watching.